In this support video, we will be replacing the oven light switch for the 1116 models. From behind the range, unscrew the two screws holding the cooktop on both sides. Gently pull and push upwards the loosed cooktop. You don't have much leeway as the oven knobs are connected to the burners. Be careful not to fully force open. Just enough room to unscrew the side bracket. With the screw removed, remove the side bracket. Unplug the two wire connections and remember their positions. From inside, squeeze the switch and push outwards. With your new light switch, place into position and connect the two wires. Place back the side bracket and screw back the cooktop. This completes the installation.